My people now, wow. Hey, this one really dey sad oh. Una never hear the hot date when e fall outside. Finally, the autopsy result of Ifeanyi Adeleke, Davido's son, e don come outside oh. Nigeria police don finally release am to public make we hear wetin really kpai Ifeanyi. This life, we just got to be very careful. Una know say some kind thing dey wey be say go happen, na so we come hear am say na so e happen. Since then, dem no gree release am. Dem say dem dey wait for Davido to give dem approve before dem go put am for public. Right now, so Nigeria police, dem don finally release am. Dem don put am for public. Wetin really kpai little Ifeanyi. This one dey very sad. A 3-year-old son wey be say e papa and im mama dem young new settle. No be like no, some people no like good thing oh. This life if your yam white, use 2 hands take cover am oh. According to the news right now, the screenshot na be this one. So the autopsy result talk and say na truth na water. I know say some people be dey talk and say maybe nani dey first kpai the pikin before they throw am put for inside water, or they first get wetin they do the pikin, maybe they first strangle the pikin. I know all those kind of stuff like that. Many story, different bloggers matter, my people. This Ifeanyi case now for know say wahala don wear both straight oh. Make una come see fight on top of this Ifeanyi Adeleke case. Bloggers they use matter they chop their self on top of matter wey be say you see on social media. You chook mouth put you go enter your house. Fellow bloggers all they use their own hand till they for the other one. This one go do content, the other one go talk say na so e no good. On top of this Ifeanyi case, make una see commotion when e dey social media. Some say na Nick by and some say na this one. Right now, so autopsy result when everybody they wait for, they don finally release and talk say na truth. Wetin we fair hear say na water Ikpai put. Say na truth, say na inside papa swimming pool. The same swimming pool wey be say papa for the teacher how to swim, now the little boy still follow go. And right now, so according to the news, the matter still get 1K Lego. They never still leave Nani because they say who open door for the pikin to go there. Because according to the news, they say iron door dey, and the swimming pool, the side when it dey, now 2 entrance to her. One, you fit follow the side of the house, while you fit follow the back door. Enter where the pool dey. So right now, so they don't know where Ifeanyi follow enter. They ask question like, oh my goodness, this matter, my people, the only thing we be say we want really hear now, since autopsy don talk home, may they release the CCTV camera, may we see how it really enter, who open door for Ifeanyi Adeleke. Some still they talk and say if it be say na because say papa don show am the place, now made the little boy run go there. But who open door for am? Now be the question we be say we now they ask, because we don't hear say for autopsy nothing like struggle, nothing like poison, nothing like the push am, all those kind of stuff like that. No injury for the pikin body, just that water. The pikin too take for inside water to the extent water can't even enter the pikin brain. So now that one quick make am back. Some people will be say still they talk and they go say Davido's son still dey life or so e dey common and so e dey abeg. Which hospital e dey? Because now police now release this one. So now the right up now be this one. Just pause am. Read down, not drop comments without you not read this one. Oh, read down. And people always get really high when they read autopsy result. I better read this one. Oh, because now waiting police release for social media. Now be this one. So now waiting everybody they wait for. May they release the autopsy result, because they talk and say they go release her. Then they wait for Davido proof. Now finally Davido don't approve her. May they blast and put for social media so that we Nigerians, good Nigerians, when it care about Davido and the pikin when it kpai, we want know wetin happen. I know say Nani, some say make Nani go prison, some say make dem leave Nani, say Nani no know one, no know two. Some come even dey talk say the matter na even any other bad news, na even call the Nani. My people, not be small story we dey hear on social media. This very fine case make me understand say not be everything wey you hear that you go dey believe. So guys, make I leave una for this very bus stop. Now wetin be say e come outside when they talk say it happen. Now be this one say na water kpai na by the little boy. Say the little boy jump inside the water and he too take for inside the water before the nanny and the chef and the security guard find out say the pikin dey inside. It was too late. The water already entered the pikin brain, and even before they reach hospital, the pikin already kpai for inside the water. May the soul of Ifeanyi rest in peace. And this very one, my people, may some parents for that Nigeria, some parents will be say one carry pikin go they teach her how to swim. make una dey pull dem life jacket, make una dey wear dem, make una dey try to dey protect una children, because water na wetin dey strong, you know. So guys, na the matter wey be say dey happen for town. I say make I just drop the update. How you see this whole matter? But don't forget to drop am for the comment section. How you see that Nani part? How you see the part of who open gate for am? Wey we all see the ask. If it be say Nigeria police will come up with the CCTV camera, make we just dey wait for that one. But right now, it don't happen. Ifeanyi is no more. May his soul rest in peace. And make una dey pray for Adeleke family. So guys, make I leave una for this bus stop. I remain your friend, your girl, TessiGistTV. If you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you never follow me on my page on TessiGist blog, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you go to hear the latest update. As it is hot, that's why I tell you drop on here. I go see you now for my next video. Bye.
I have a question to God. I beg this. I don't care what happens to me after this video, but this is too much. We have a God that is called a miraculous God. We have a God that they say he performs miracles. We believe in him. We pray to God. We worship God. We do everything so that at the end of the day we have a justifiable heart that we know where we are going to. But then God will allow things to happen that will not start questioning that. We cannot just let Ifeanyi like that. God perform a miracle. I don't care how you are going to do it. Why is it that you're always allowing the devil to win? Even if that boy is already in the mortuary, God, you can still make a miracle happen. You can still bring that boy out of even the mortuary. God, this is not fair. This is not fair. God, I am questioning you. How can you allow this small boy to? This boy is innocent. Even if the sins of the father is living upon the children, this is too much. This boy is an innocent soul. This boy is a promising soul. Please, God, do what you will do, God. Wake this boy up. It is in your power. Why are you always allowing the devil to win? Wake this boy up. God, what is all this? Every time people will cry for a loved one, people will cry and you will not do anything. Is it that? Is it destiny? Destiny, I don't care. What is all this? Jesus. How now? How? This boy can still wake up. You people should stand up and question God. Let us rally against God. It is not, let us protest. We have a miracle God. Then why is it not working miracles? Which one is people who just be people who don't even deserve it wake up from the dead? And someone that, how can Ifeanyi be? Not possible. I don't believe it. I am not typing any rest in peace. I am not even posting anything. I just want you people to support me. Get up. Let us question God. If God is a miraculous God, then this boy should wake up.
Sophia Momodu, last, everybody go cast, chop breakfast. You don't chop your own breakfast. You carry your daughter, go party, different party with your savage son. Now you kill you. Everybody go know say you are witch. When Davido carry on with private jet, they go Ghana. Chioma, you don't sleep. Person can't steal you. Chioma, you don't sleep. Sophia Momodu, you are a witch. See your shout old cargo voice say, I will send this photo to your daddy. Man, fuck you, bitch, what daddy? Davido, if I were you and now and deal with them. Since they're dealing with your soul and your happiness. Since they're stealing the only thing. And Chioma, all those girl boyfriends Chioma used to have, all of them, they're included. You have your own son, you cannot be proud of your own son. I have my own son. I have to be proud of my own son because it's my blood. What the fuck are you talking about? You now have destroyed an innocent soul. All the baby mamas, they are included.